describe a person strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. It is indeed a high blessing to be the first and last to witness the beginning and end of the life. In ancient time, the hospitals were horrible dirty places, and the sick were looked after at home. Girls were not preferred to take care of men, while the male care was looked down socially. Here, the sick was too closely aligned with superstition, religion, and magic. People used to believe in tantrics much more than the healthcare facility. During this dark period of nursing, on 12th of May 1820, a baby girl was born in a small town called Florence in Italy. She was the daughter of well-to-do English parents and they wanted her to become a socialite. But she preferred to avoid it. Florence was active in philanthropy, ministering the sick and poor in the village near her from a very young age. When she determined to pursue her true calling, Nightingale approached her parents and told them about her ambition to become a nurse. They were not pleased and discouraged her in many ways. After much of the struggles with her family, Nightingale enrolled herself as a nursing student in the Lutheran Hospital, Germany in the 1844. She returned to London after her studies and took a nursing job in Middlesex Hospital, London. She was highly dedicated and impressive in her performance, and hence she was promoted as a superintendent to the area. In October 1853, the Crimean War broke out between England and Russia, which caused massive casualty and injury to the soldiers.